Value of time. What is time? Time is the continuous flow of existence and things that happens in what seems to be an unbreakable successions from the past through the present and into the future. In simple words, time is the interval during which any change occurs. As the fourth dimension of reality, time can be used to describe events that take place in three-dimensional space. Although we cannot see, touch, or taste it, we may quantify its passage. Thank you for watching my video. Shukriya, subscribe my channel and also give me likes this informative video.